So I just finished watching The Walking Dead, the series, and I totally loved it. Many people say that it is not so good, but I genuinely loved it. And while I was watching the series, I just realized something. Throughout the watching of the series, I realized that morality, the morality, that the term that we use, we always talk about that we have to keep our morality always upwards, and we have to keep our values always straight. But while watching The Walking Dead, it is about a apocalyptic situation. So I realized in that kind of a situation when everything is going into chaos, there is no morality. If you have watched Walking Dead or you are going to watch The Walking Dead, you will clearly comprehend this concept that there is no morality in the series. People are doing whatever it takes to keep them alive and the loved ones of them alive. So I also realized this, that it's true. Morality is a subject of society, the social system. Without a society, without a social system, there is no morality. And it is not our natural trait also, because we are animals. Okay, we may be very intelligent than rest of the animal species, but at core we are animals, and animals do not have morality. So because of our intelligence, and because of our revolutionary progress, we learn to be moral, to put values, because these moralities and these values are necessary things to keep thousands and lakhs of crores of humans all together. Since childhood we have been taught that you have to be moral, you have to keep your values straight, and you have to be a good person. And we have been taught that these morality and these values are to be maintained, so that we can be progress as a good person, or as a moral person, or a virtuous person. But when I watched The Walking Dead, I realized that being good or being bad has nothing to do with being moral or being immoral person. Morality and values and virtues, these are the things just there to keep the society intact. These are the techniques that are used so that a society can sustain itself. That's it. So, technically speaking, if I do not follow my morality and my virtues and my values, would that make me a bad person? Because in nature, morality is not the measure through which nature keeps the track of its value. In nature, everything is unfair. If you look at the nature from the outside perspective, you would conceive that nature is absolutely unfair. The universal truth. You might have been a big philanthropist throughout your life, but when a chaotic situation comes, if the world goes to an apocalyptic situation, just like The Walking Dead, you would kill everyone, every single person that comes near to your family, to protect your family and to feed your family in that kind of a situation.